Hi, welcome to Circa. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating event requests within your workspace. Before your team can request events, you need to create an event request form within Circa. To do this, click the Configurations tab in your sidebar or the gear icon. Then select the Events subtab and head over to Request Forms. Here, you'll see any forms that have already been published. To create a new one, select the purple Create Event Request Form button. This will take you to the form builder, where you can customize your form to fit your company needs. Insert your logo, add form title and description. The requester can insert their contact info here. In this section, you can add customizable questions that can help you make the decision whether or not to accept an event. Things like event name, date, or location. You can also map these answers with fields and make answers required. When you are finished, hit Next. In the Settings tab, you can make this form public or only for members in your organization. You can share this link in your events dashboard for those who don't have permission to create new events. Edit your post-submit confirmation message. Add reasons an event may be declined. Add reviewers. Choose if you want an email to be sent to reviewers to notify them of new requests. And edit your automated email messaging when an event is submitted, approved, declined, or returned. When that is finished, you will be able to preview the request form here. If everything looks correct, publish. Now that you have created your form, you will have a unique and secure link that you can share. When the requester submits their event request form, your custom message will appear. You can view all of your current requests in your main dashboard under Event Requests. You can see that our latest request is marked as new. Simply click on the event name, review the form, and choose to return, approve, decline, or archive. If you choose to approve, you will need to assign the event to a team and a leader. The event will then appear in your main events dashboard. To learn more about event requests, visit our support center. Thanks for watching.